Dear viewers, we all have a tendency to start from tomorrow. But there is a saying that tomorrow never comes. Our tendency to start from tomorrow is known as procrastination. Tracy brings us the solution to procrastination in his phenomenal book, Eat That Frog. This book teaches us how to get rid of procrastination and be productive. Dear viewers, I am Pritam Raha and you are watching Less But Better, and
This is the second episode of book review of Eat That Frog. So without further ado, get the ball rolling.
So, dear viewers, this book has 21 principles, and in the last video I have reviewed 3 principles, and today I'll be reviewing the next 5 principles of the book. So today's first principle is consider the consequences. The potential consequences of any task is the key determinant of how important it is to you. If the consequences is extremely important for you, then the task is important to you. Your attitude toward time horizon has an enormous effect on your choice and behavior. People who take a long view on their career and future are seen to be more successful than those who don't have a longer view on their future. Successful people have a future orientation. They think 5 years, 10 years, 15 years out in the future. Before starting on anything, you should always ask yourself, what can be the consequences of doing this or not doing this? Successful people are those who can delay gratification and make sacrifices in the short run so that they can enjoy far greater reward in the future. Remember, failures do what is tension relieving, while the successful people do what is goal achieving. If a task is extremely important to you, then make it a top priority. Start working on it immediately. Today's second principle is practice ABCDE method continuously. The more thought you invest in analyzing and prioritizing things, the more successful work you do and the faster you'll get them done once you started. The ABCE method is a method of setting priority in our day-to-day basis. So now the question comes, how does this method work? And here are the steps. At first, you have to come up with a list of everything that you will be doing in the coming days. Then write A, B, C, D, E before each task before you start working on it. And a task is a task that is extremely important to you and has to complete, or else you will face severe consequences. A B task is a task that is also important to you but has only mild consequences. A C task is nice to do but has no consequences at all. A D task is a task that you can easily delegate to someone else. And E task is a task that you can eliminate completely and you will face no consequences. So the rule is, don't start your B task unless your A task is completed. The key to ABCDE method working properly is to discipline yourself to start with the A task and stick to it unless it is completed. Our next principle is focus on key result areas. The key to getting high performance is to identify your key result areas. And key result areas are the areas which contribute most to your output. Once you have identified your key result areas, your second step is to grade yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 in each of the areas. Where are you strong? Where are you weak? Where are you doing excellent? Where are you underperforming? One of the major reasons of procrastination is that people tend to avoid those activities that they did poorly in the past. But the reverse of it is when people are good at anything, they feel more motivated to complete the task. The fact is that everyone has a strength and weakness. So don't try to justify your weakness, rather try to accept it and rectify it. You should be asking yourself, what can I do? And if I do it proper fashion, then it can have a major consequences in my life. One of the best ways to stop procrastination is to become extremely excellent in your key result areas. Obey the law of forced efficiency. The law of forced efficiency tells us that we don't have enough time to do everything, but we have enough time to do the most important things. So your first step is to ask yourself, what is your highest value activity? You have to be crystal clear about your highest value activities. The next question is, what is the best use of my time? These are the questions of life management. These are the questions to stop procrastination and get more things done in less time. Remember, do the first thing first and second thing not at all. The thing that matters most can never be in the mercy of the thing that matters least. Prepare thoroughly before you begin. One of the major ways to stop procrastination and get more things done is to have everything you need at hand. Before you begin, clear your desk so that you can focus only one thing. Set up your work area so that it is comfortable, attractive and conducive to you for working long period. The most successful people take time to prepare their workplace according to their choice so that they can spend a long time in their workplace. When everything is laid in sequence and order, you feel much more motivated to complete the task. And remember, once you started, never stop until you finished. So, dear viewers, this is the second episode of book review of Eat That Frog, and I will be reviewing the next 5 principles in the following video. So if you want to get the notifications as soon as I upload the video, you can press the bell button and subscribe to my channel. Besides, if you have any suggestion for me, you can put your comment below in the comment box. See you in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.